Hello, I'm Bob Ross, and I'd like to welcome you to the 20th Joy of Painting series. Son of a gun, it's hard for me to believe this is the 20th series, but it is, and I'd like to thank you very much for inviting me back for another series of painting.
Once was a killer and I got a bunch of clips. Run up in your shit, gonna let you take a dip in my evil fantasy. Won't you run and come with me to the deep, deep part of more than you can see. I'm a ghost, I'm a demon, and I'm seeking when you're dreaming for a new cause. Hit the pause, looking for a new job. Break it with the bed while your pussy's trying to slay. I'm the Freddie main, fuck the game, looking for a new bang. Oh shit, what the hell you talking about, bitch? It's the new way, Freddie main, about to make a separate lane. Oh my god, you's a bitch, motherfucker. Why you try to play me like a bitch, motherfucker? Who this buster in the cut, about to come and fuck her up. Freddie know there's something up, and you know I'm about to bust.
Tears falling down at the party. Saddest little baby in the room. Fears, tell me fears, don't get me started. I get a little gray hair for every scare you share. Those aren't meant to bend. No, those aren't meant to bend. Those aren't meant to bend. No, those aren't meant to bend.
Very pleasant reading. 73 up in the Goodland area, 72 at Garden City, 70 reported by Dodge City and Liberal, 72 over by the good folks of Dredd. And in the Ponca City Blackwell area, 68 degrees today. Winds southerly at about 15, with gusts of 25 miles an hour. Barometric pressure 30.00 on the horizon. And no precipitation, we're about a half inch behind, fresh half inch ahead for the year, 1/5300th behind for the year so far. We'll be looking for a little bit of a change tomorrow, and of course the possibility of some scattered showers. Today, of course, there's nothing showing up on the radar. However, the satellite photo was pretty interesting for the western half of the U.S. Range.
Tears falling down at the party. Saddest little baby in the room.